Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the app and account ready. Now start the process. Open YouTube Music, sign in, and give it permission to run in background. Once done, tap the profile icon, go to Settings, and confirm background and download settings are available. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for continuous playback, because the system can stop audio when optimized. With these essentials handled, you're ready to begin configuring playback behavior and app audio controls. You'll now configure how playback behaves to keep music playing. First, open Settings and set background play to always or while screen off depending on your preference. This tells the app to keep audio even when other apps run. Next, choose a lower streaming quality for background mode to prevent buffering and reduce data use. Finally, enable downloads and pre-save playlists for offline background listening. Because offline files resist interruptions from network, finish by testing playback. Start a track, switch apps, and lock the screen to confirm audio continues. Use notification controls or the lock screen widget to pause, skip, or rewind without reopening the app. If playback stops, restart the app and device. That resolves most permission glitches. Make sure battery saver, app sleep, or aggressive RAM management is disabled for YouTube Music. If problems persist, verify background play is still enabled and your account supports background playback. Then try reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.